Assalamu alaikum. Here, triple angle identities for you. First for sine, sine 3 alpha is equal to sine into 2 alpha plus alpha is equal to sine 2 alpha cos alpha cos 2 alpha sin alpha. Now sin 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha are solved. Here 2 sin alpha cos alpha plus into 1 minus 2 sin square alpha into sin alpha. Now 2 sin alpha is solved. 2 sin alpha cos square alpha plus sin alpha minus 2 sin cube alpha. Now 2 sin alpha is as the same and cos square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin square alpha into plus sin alpha minus 2 sin cube alpha. Now 2 sin alpha is multiplied by 1 minus sin square alpha. 2 sin alpha minus 2 sin cube alpha plus sin alpha minus 2 sin cube alpha. 2 sin alpha plus sin alpha is equal to 3 sin alpha and minus 2 sin cube alpha minus 2 sin cube alpha is 4 sin cube alpha. So sin 3 alpha is equal to 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. Now triple angle for cos is also solved. Here come to the cos 3 alpha that is equal to cos into 2 alpha plus alpha. Now it is opened. Cos 2 alpha cos alpha minus sin 2 alpha sin alpha. Now cos 2 alpha and sin 2 alpha is again opened as into 2 cos square alpha minus 1 into cos alpha minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha and sin alpha. Now 2 cos alpha square multiplied by cos alpha is 2 cos cube alpha minus cos alpha minus 2 sin square alpha cos alpha. The next step is as 2 cos cube alpha minus cos alpha minus 2 into the value of sin square is 1 minus cos square alpha into cos alpha. Now cos alpha is multiplied by 1 minus cos square alpha. Then the next step is as 2 cos cube alpha minus cos alpha minus 2 cos alpha plus 2 cos cube alpha. Now by adding 2 cos cube alpha plus 2 cos cube alpha is as cos 3 alpha is equal to 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. It is for triple angle. Next meet you with the other identities. Allah Hafiz. Good luck.